Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be installing the sway bar kit for the Traxxas Slash 4x4 onto the Slash. This of course is my Traxxas Slash. I've done a couple of videos about it. Just installed some lower suspension arms. These are the Traxxas heavy duty cold weather material, plastic, whatever. I had some aluminum ones first, but I kept on breaking this part, whatever it's called. So I replaced them with the plastic ones, so they shouldn't break that frequently now. But today we're gonna be installing this. Thank you for 39 subscribers, almost at 40. Thanks so much. I'm really happy with it. But please keep on subscribing, liking the video. And yeah, let's get into this. This part number 6898. I haven't done a video like this for some time now. I installed some parts. Yeah. Okay, so we got the bars here. I've done the exact same to one of my Traxxas XL ones before. It's not that hard. Got these things. Some screws and of course a manual. So, yeah. Okay, so you got two different link sizes. Got a shorter one and a longer one. The short one is for the front, the long one is for the rear. We're gonna install the black bars. Black bars are for focus. Black bars are more for road use, and the silver ones are more for off-road use with less traction and stuff. I drive my Slash everywhere, but I think it looks cooler, and also I just want it more for road use because I want to convert it a bit over time. I've had this car now for I think 9 months now. I've done many upgrades, but yeah, we're gonna do this upgrade today. Okay, so we're gonna do the front first. Take the short one. Also this one. So this one, the V shape, that's for the rear, and a bit of a U shape is for the front. So yeah. Okay, so I installed the front one already. Now we're gonna remove the body shell. This is actually a Arma Typhon, I think, body shell. It's unbreakable body from the WIT RC Kappa. It's a Dutch company. But yeah. Okay, once you've done that, we're gonna screw this bar down here. You have these grooves on the chassis here. This is the low center of gravity, but it's the same on high center of gravity. With the grooves here, you slide it in, and then you're gonna take your two screws and just screw it down. Okay, so I just did the rear ones, but I forgot to record it. I'm so sorry for it. But yeah, it's on. I screwed it all down now. But yeah. What was all basically the same on the rear. Yeah. But it's sad I forgot it. Yeah, here we have it. It's finished now. Please subscribe. Next video will be, I think, my GRX4 or my XO1. So stay tuned for it. Video soon, whatever. Subscribe to my channel. Help me get to 40 subscribers, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.